Here's G. She says, hi, Carolyn. Here's Solito. Voice throws out the jab. Establishes dominance over other cats with that little jab Solito throws out. Here I am. September 8, 2022, at Catland. These cats belong to my sister Carolyn as much as they do to me, because she helps me so much. And so, Carolyn, there's Button, 01. There's little Becky Jr., who can't see it all, with the beautiful green eyes. Beautiful green eyes, little Becky Jr. Wow, what a beautiful cat you are, little Becky Jr. And her progeny over there, they're all black and you can't see them at night. There's 01. The last surviving kitten of the last litter from Button. From Button. From Button. And now, let's see if I can flip this around. Carolyn. There you are. I filmed this song today in honor of Queen Elizabeth II, who died today, September 8, 2022. Oh my God, at the age of 96. The longest reigning British monarch. Much loved and much respected. Much loved and much respected. My song on YouTube is With a Little Help from My Friends, from the Beatles and Joe Cocker. So I hope you'll visit on YouTube, Tom Kitch, With a Little Help from My Friends. So thank you, Carolyn, for everything you've done for me. God bless you. I love you. Thank you so much, Carolyn.